So good afternoon everyone. I am Aisha Cassandra Alcamo, number 6, and in this video, I will discuss to you an example problem of a higher order derivatives. So we have here an example problem. Find the second derivative of an equation y is equal to x cubed times 2x squared minus 5 to the 4th power. So we have here, first let's find the u and this is a two functions, so let u and v. So for our u, we have our first term, which is the x cubed, and our second term, our v, is 2x squared minus 5 to the 4th. So after that, we'll just find the derivative of this 2. Then, so derivative of this x cubed is 2x squared. And for our v, we have a using chain rule, we'll apply chain rule on getting the derivative of our v. So we have 2x squared minus 5 times 4x. So we'll just multiply this, and it comes out to 16x times 2x squared minus 5. So now we have our derivatives already, and we will now apply the product rule, and it states that u prime v plus u v prime. Now we will just substitute this. So for our u prime, we have 2x squared, and our v, we have 2x squared minus 5 4th power plus our u, we have x cubed, and our v prime, we have 16x times 2x squared minus 5. And now let's just multiply it first. We have 2x squared minus 2x squared minus 5 plus x cubed plus times 16x is equal to 16x to the 4th, and bracket is 2x cubed minus 5. And now we will proceed to factor. Let's just factor it, and it will come out with x squared times 2x squared minus 5 cubed times 22x squared minus 50. So we have our first derivative. And now let's proceed with our second derivative. For our second derivative, we will just differentiate in our first derivative. So let's copy x squared times 2x squared minus 5 cubed times 22x squared minus 2. So first thing first is we need to find the a, b, c. Since this is a 3 functions. So first we have our a. Our a is x squared. Our b, our second term, and our c. So our b is 2x squared minus 5 cubed. And our c, we have 22x squared minus 50. Now that we have our a, b, and c, let's find their derivative of each term. So we have x squared, derivative is our C. We have our C, right? 44x. So now let's multiply this and this. So we have to copy this first. 2x squared times 5 cubed times 22x squared times 50. Last, just multiply this x squared to 12x. We have 12x cubed 2x squared minus 5 squared times 22x squared minus 50. And also multiply this x squared to 44x. So we have 44x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5. And now let's proceed. We'll just factor this by 2x times 2x squared minus 5 squared. So we'll just copy this 2x squared minus 5 times 22x squared minus 50. Next is we need to divide, factor this from this, and it will come up with 16, 6, 6, sorry. We have 6x squared times 22x squared minus 15. Last, this factored by 2x. We have 22x squared times 3x minus 9 cubed